So you have the universal travel adapter from TESSAN. If you are traveling internationally this summer, fall, or whenever, this is going to be definitely something you're going to want to have. So how you use it is very, very easy. So you're going to have all the different plugs you put into here. And I do have a video going in the corner where you can see it a little bit closer. They do give you a nice manual too if you're not sure what type of plugs you need. They're going to label them all for you and tell you the exact country where they use the plugs. But all you're going to need to do is find the plug you're going to want to have, and it's going to slide into the top of the adapter here. So very, very simple. You go a small click and you're good to go. You can plug it into the wall and start using it. Full outlet on the front, outlets on both sides. You have 3 outlets, 2 USB ports, and a Lightning C charger. So like I said, if you are traveling internationally this summer, this is going to be something that you want to have so you can charge your phone, laptop, hair dryer, whatever you need to do, you can do it. And what I love too, super small, like the size of my hand, so you can fit it in your backpack, luggage, or whatever. But this does the job exactly as it should. It was affordable, easy to use. I give it 2 thumbs up.